y'all. Check out my garden today. I'm gonna show you my garden. I just picked this beautiful bouquet out of my garden. I do flowers and vegetables. I'm in session. In session. But yeah, I'm gonna take you around my yard and give you a little tour. I plant like this. Lots of vegetables, and I do it in things like behind me. I am training this. This is turned into like a snuffleupagus. Remember snuffleupagus? Yeah, it's like an elephant type thing, and I'm training it. It's going to my bird feeder and my squirrel feeder, and this is a clematis. It's an sweet autumn clematis. But yeah, I be training my plants, and so all the film that you see was filmed a week ago, because I batch my videos, folks. And I do garden like this too, see? It's gonna have hair in a minute. But yeah, that's a big burl full of flowers. And I'm right above the bird bath that also has flowers. And right down here is some squirrel cages. Yeah, squirrel cages, folks. Squirrel cages. I was trying to catch a raccoon. Yeah, a raccoon in a squirrel cage. Y'all, when you're making YouTube videos, if you only get one view, remember something. You touched one person. You made one person's day. You know, YouTube is a marathon. It really is. This is my 4th year. I'm 3 years strong and in my 4th year, folks. And it took me 4 years to find out exactly what I want to do on YouTube. I'm traveling events, motivation. You know, focus. You know, that's my hashtags. Hashtag focus. Hashtag mindful. Hashtag motivation for you. And that's a hashtag too. Because I'm here to motivate you. And my target audience is anyone over 40, my age. I'm 62. But I'm on the ground. You know, I'm chilling out with the lettuce. And boy, is it delicious. I'll be getting munched. And as long as I live, I know everything is free and I got food everywhere around me. I'll be sitting in the food. Sitting here eating it. In my yard, outside, on the ground, grounding. On a cloudy day, in session. And my view, well, I'm looking at my bungalow, my craftsman bungalow, and I'm looking at a storm blowing in. It's Wednesday, 3 o'clock, and I'm on schedule. Let me spit this out. I'll be chewing forever.
Yes.
Excuse me, y'all. Roog. Woogie. Say hello to everyone, Miss Roog. Roog. Say hello, Roogie. Come here. Go for my kiss. He said no. He said no. Man, I'm enjoying myself out here, y'all. And I'm so happy you're here. Yeah, I already talked about target audience. I really don't have my bullet points out here. But yeah, YouTube simple. That's another hashtag, simple. I do things simple. I'm just on schedule to talk to y'all and tell you how you're beautiful, you shine. You're chosen. My people are chosen. They're chosen to do whatever they're doing to empower others. That's what I'm doing. My name is Miss Lori, aka channel name Euphoric Granny. I'm here to share my knowledge in my perspective, and I'm an old green neck hippie. I'm an old head. It's pretty smart. I've been through some shit, y'all, and I want to help y'all. You know, Jesus told me, and all my prayers were answered. Yeah, he told me in my dreams and everything else to continue doing what I do and be consistent and stand tall. And with that, well, I'm gonna take you around my garden, y'all. We're gonna go on a garden tour. See you in a second. YouTube's fast. Y'all, my flowers fell down. I'm gonna have to trim them. Yeah, over here, this is wild lettuce, but it's the same exact thing as dandelions. They're my dandelions, but they don't grow dandelions or lettuce. But yeah, they make excellent salad. Over here, I mix my garden with flowers, and these are our sunflowers, little lettuce. Fresh patch of greens. We got some nice butter lettuce, and over here we've got some more lettuce. This lettuce, Roman lettuce. Yeah, I like to make tacos out of it. Tacos, and next to that is a patch of bachelor buds. And I've got to trim them this morning, y'all. I'm gonna cut them down. Little trees, hibiscus, bachelor buds. And back here, well, these are winter squash, and yeah, they're those squash that you see down there, and pumpkins too. There's the wrapper in there, so I know what I planted. That would be pumpkin seeds. So yeah, we got pumpkin over here, and I always let my trees that fall stay down, you know, because they help everything grow. So next to the pumpkin goes lettuce and romaine, and you know, my whole yard is nothing but garden everywhere. I like flowers mixed. There's some greens, and over here is carrot. I'm way over here though. I'm getting ready to do some gardening this morning, y'all. And over here I have yarrow. This is my yarrow patch. Yarrow is very good for you folks. This is yarrow. It's gonna bloom soon, but I have a big patch of yarrow. Big patch. It's very medicinal. And this is, say good morning. Good morning to everyone. Salem, the kitty. A little bit more wild lettuce growing in the flowers. I'll take you over here, and this is some more herbs I have growing. We call this beefsteak. It's herb, beautiful flowers. Yeah, clematis. These are beautiful clematis. They will vine all over my fence. And here we have beautiful, beautiful flowers getting ready to bloom. Some more here. This is a Japanese fruit tree. What's the fruit called? I think this the fruit, but this is the tree. It's a berry. I can't remember the berry's name because I'm old and forgetful. And yeah, I've got black-eyed Susan mixed with greens, mixed with carrots. And we got everything going on here. Some hibiscus and some hibiscus trees. And over here, y'all, check it out. I sculptured an elephant. I sculptured an elephant. And it's going to the feeder. Yeah, I like to sculpture plants. And yeah, it's my elephant. I just, put vines and stuff together, and on the top, it's gonna be all white flowers. Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. But yeah, I'll be putting the garden together, folks. I do. I feed birds. I feed the animals. Squirrels. There's my window. There's my flowers, and yeah. And here I am. Out here getting ready to do my garden. Good morning, everyone. It's morning, and the moon is out. Look at that moon. Oh, wow, there sure is a lot of moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 moons are out this morning. It looked like one moon. Wow, that's weird. Wow, we got more than one moon. Am I tripping, man? Or is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 moons? I see 7 moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. How close can I get to these? Wow. I'm trying to get as close as I can to the moon. Because there's 7 of them. Y'all ever seen 7 moons? Like, this is weird. I woke up, I'm looking out, I see the moon is, looking weird this morning. It looks like a moon, but it's got, wow, there's more than one moon, y'all. Okay. All right. The sun will be coming up in a minute, right over there. And there's only one sun. Only one sun. Yeah. It's a beautiful morning. It is, but, that's weird. See, it looks like one moon now. It does. That's weird. That is just so weird. How is it pulsing like that? I hope this is a glitch in my camera, perhaps. No, man, there's 7 moons. It's changing shapes. It must be just the way the sun is reflecting off of it. There's gotta be a reason. There has to be a reason, because there's only one moon. Today, there's 7 of them. Now, that's strange. Okay, all right. Let me watch the sun rise, y'all. Oh, my goodness. I'm waiting for my Mr. Black to come. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. But, yeah, that kind of freaked me out. And they seem to be moving. It ain't standing still, it's changing shapes. Let me go real slow to it. That is weird. Check out the moon. And what is those orbs going around the moon? I don't know, but something's going on with the moon. But it's sunrise. It's sunrise. And Granny is going to make breakfast. See y'all later. I just wanted to show you this moon. It's a moon with a lot of moons. The day has passed, and there's Mr. Black, y'all. He's my friend, Mr. Black, and I'm so happy that y'all tuned in to Euphoric Granny. My name is Miss Lori. I'm 62, and I'm here to motivate you. I'm so glad y'all visited me today. Y'all are so beautiful, but I have to go. You're out of sight, man. Get inconsistent. Thank y'all, my community spotlight. Bye-bye.